Hey guys, it's Doug Giles again with Billiards of New Orleans. I just want to take a moment out. This is going to be a really short video. Just taking a moment out of my day to tell you about my new YouTube channel. And when I tell you the name, it's not what you think, okay? The name of the channel is Exposing My Wood. And it's not provocative, trust me. The name may be, but that's just to get people interested. Come on, you understand. Anyway, the new channel is going to be a bunch of videos of us doing woodworking. As you may have figured out from watching the channel, I do a bit of woodworking myself. So this is going to be doing a lot of woodworking, a lot of leather working, and don't worry, the pool table videos are not going to go away. I know it's been let's see, a couple of weeks now since my last video, and it was a long time, but we're going to be doing a lot more pool table videos in the future too. I really want to put a lot more effort into YouTube. As part of that, new channel. Again, Exposing My Wood. I have one video up so far, and we're trying to reach the YouTube thresholds for the number of subscribers. There's a 1,000 subscriber limit or threshold that we have to meet, plus a certain watch time. I think it's like, I don't know, 5,000, 2,000, I don't know how many hours it is, but to finally get monetized on YouTube. The first video I have up is a 23-minute long video showing how I made this. So if you're interested in woodworking at all, come on over to that new channel. I'm going to leave the link down below, and subscribe, make comments, that kind of stuff. I'd really like to see you over at the new channel as well. So look forward to seeing you there. Talk with you later. Bye.